Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about this Starter ABB Starter 800 kilowatt Starter. Well, as you can see, it is an old model. It doesn't have a display. Neither does it have the internal contactor, bypass contactor. So it is just SCR direct to the motor. So you can see I fixed my external CTs, and also it has got some fans here. The external CT for this multifunction meter here. Yeah, if I switch on, you'll see from the display of there. You can see that's my external, my multifunction meter. Yeah, and it is off at the moment. Yes, 800 kilowatt fixed cable, 3 cables, 150 each, three in parallel for each phase. So in total is 450 mm for each phase. Because what do you expect when the 800 kilowatt is running? 800 kilowatt is more than 1,000 amps, maybe 1,500 or 1,400, something like that. You can do your own calculation, then you find out. And we have also our heater here for controlling the humidity. You know, here it's Gulf country, and we expect sometimes the humidity to be so high. Yeah. Then this 3 cable is going to through the fuse to the multifunction meter. Okay, our wiring is very simple. Yeah, you can see it's self-explanatory. Actually, it is just explaining itself. You can see number 1, 2, that's where we give our supply 240 volts. Then 4 and 5, you just loop your cable there. And 7 and 10, the same case, you just loop. 9, 8 and 9, that's what you pass through there. Front relay. This relay, the first relay. That is the one that is going to give the signal for at least the command for it to start running. Yeah, then we have a 3 set of relays here, internal relays of the source starter. The first relay, yeah, it will indicate a run in case it is running. There's the second one for the toggle. This toggle one you can use if you are using external bypass contactor, you can connect there. And finally we have the third one, which is the fault relay. Yeah, so it's just self-explanatory. Then we have our own settings here that you're supposed to do. So open that one. Yeah, as you can see from this other phone, F1, F2 is the fault, which is also indicated there, F1, F2. And the green one, which is indicated on, the on will just show you have supplied, as it is indicated now. It is indicating on, it is showing there is supply. Then we have the R. That one is self-explanatory. It will indicate when it's running. And we have the T. The T, it will indicate when it has completed the ramp start. Yeah, at least when it is stable, it is running in a running condition. And when the ramp time is over, that's the time it will indicate the T. And the P is about, I think, power factor or something like that. Yeah, and you can see there from our settings there, the start is the acceleration time, rather the ramp time. During starting time, the ramp time, which we have set at 10 seconds. The other one is deceleration, which is the ramp time during stopping, which I have set at 5 seconds. Yeah, and you can see on this one. Yeah, then you can see the initial voltage, UINI initial voltage we have set at 30%, and USD step down voltage we have set at 30%. And we have got our LR rated current of the motor. Yeah, LR is the rated current of the motor. We have each of set at 50% of 800 kilowatt, because our motor in this case is around 400 kilowatt. And we have our ILIM current limit at rated current of motor. That is the percentage when the motor is starting. This one we have discussed several times. That is the starting, which we have set at 4%. Yeah, you can see there, the 4. Yeah, and the other thing, we have the power factor, energy saving function, PF, high current switch off, and all that. It isn't a very complicated soft starter because the settings are very few. Otherwise we are going to run, then we see what will happen. Yeah, can you run it? Please switch it on. We have connected our motor. You can see it's ramping up. Yeah, and the T is indicating. It's indicating that the ramp up time is over. Yep. You can see our small motor there. It's running, and also indicating at the door that it is running. Now we can switch off. Yeah, the motor is stopping. Ramp time is over. And the internal fans also, they have stopped. Okay, thank you. That's enough for today. Have a nice time.